All right. Welcome to another episode of The Red Ripper. Today we got some cool things going on. First, new video software, if you can't tell. We're trying out Riverside today. See how it goes. It's a free version. I don't know if I'm going to do the paid version or not, but we'll see how I like it. Also today, we're going to have some talking points about some news that's been going on lately. Also, we're going to rip open some packs. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's ride!
So, GameStop released pre-orders for Prismatic Evolutions. Currently, the price is $190 on secondary. GameStop has pre-orders for $150. You're allowed 2 if you're a pro member for $150 each. When I got my 2 allocations, when I purchased them, the floor was about 207, 208. As you can kind of tell, it's gone down since then, a couple days ago. So much volume, so many listings. Here currently the quantity is about 2189. Sales volume spiked here on the dip, which is a great sign. 94 items sold. So that's coming. So if you haven't done that, I would assume that 150 will be the floor for this. It probably won't stay there for very long as this is going out of print in a year, I think. This shocks me. Ascended Heroes booster bundles for $120 pre-sale on TCG. What is going on? There's these things are going to be $26 in a machine. They're pre-selling on Walmart. I don't know about Best Buy, but Walmart for $60. Who in their right mind is buying these? There's actual sales. I don't know if this is just people buying their own supply to FOMO newbies into purchasing this or what, but this is outrageous. 30. What is going on? This makes no sense to me. Not that much volume, thank God, but still, I don't know what's going on with this. So for the Prismatic reprint that happened, together with GameStop and Walmart, Walmart had a drop last night and a surprise one tonight, the same time as Chaos Rising. Or actually, no, Perfect Order. About 300,000 is rumored to be put out into the market, with this drop or with this reprint. So we'll see what that does to the floor. I would assume 150 should be about the floor, but we'll see. So we had also yesterday a massive vending machine glitch that all across the United States, all the vending machines right around the same time for about a half hour, unlocked everything. Literally almost most things were unlocked. You could buy, obviously you can see here, multiple quantities per item, no limit. Oh, well, technically there was a limit, but we'll get to that in a second. No matter what it was, anything that was in there was up for grabs. Crazy. I did not get any. I checked vending machines pretty frequently, but unfortunately I heard there were lines and word traveled fast. People were filling up shopping carts. So this was the limit that I mentioned earlier. $1,000 for a transaction limit at these vending machines. Nobody knew that until today because nobody ever got to this point. You get 2 or 3 rings max, and that's it. So pretty wild to see that. I wonder, don't know if they did it intentionally or if it was a glitch. Intentionally to get product out there faster, to empty out their warehouse quicker or what in preparation for the 30th, which is, I know, pretty far away, but who knows? I'm new to this, so who knows? Don't listen to me. So today, Pokemon Center was supposed to drop their Chaos Rising purchases on their site, but it was delayed. Rumor has it was delayed due to a Pokemon, a stabbing at one of the Pokemon shops in Tokyo. Supposedly, this wasn't Pokemon related. Supposedly, it was a stalker on an employee. So totally separate, but still, it probably would have been bad press if Pokemon were to just say, hey, we don't care. We're still going to drop this. So that's rumors as to why things were delayed. So that's a quick little market update. First one I've done. So more to come there, more info, more opinions on what I think and what I'm seeing. So today we're going to be opening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sets. We're going to be opening some Journey Together, Mega Evolution, Destined Rivals, Fantasma Flames, and Surging Sparks. And so here, first we're going to be opening up Journey Together. As you can see, these are the top cards. The total value set is 517, quite a bit lower than everything else. But without further ado, let's get to ripping. Right. Let's see how my ripping skills have become. Let's see what we can get. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. Put that in the sleeve. Go. There. All right. Next up, do another one. And I think tomorrow there's going to be a bunch of product released at Best Buy. I hear people are going to be in line for that. So we'll see. We'll see what comes of that. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. Couple decent hits so far. Couple decent hits. You know, with the prismatic bundles, it's going to be interesting to see how well the market holds up with all those reprints coming down the line. Because everybody either bags on prismatic for being too high of a supply or says it's the next best thing. Because I will show you that the total value for the set is quite high for raw. $4,600 is pretty high quality. So the demand is there for the singles. Now, whether or not that's going to be good enough to keep the floor up in price, but we'll see. We'll see. Where the hell did Journey Together go? Oh, well, lost it. All right, figure that out in a second. Let's go back there. Oh. Bust. So we got Noibat, Lily's Ribombi for Journey Together. Not bad. So we will move over to Mega Evolution. Total set value is 1,600. Chasing after the golds. I still don't understand how people rip these things, but whatever. One day. One day we'll get it. Come on, baby. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Put that in sleeve. Put that in sleeve. I was out at a certain Fred Meyer the other day. I heard there were some restocks in the vending machines and the electronics. And when I got there, I was surprised to see all the Ascended heroes that were stocked in the back of somebody's, ooh, nice, the back of somebody's truck. I was like, there's no way that that guy just got all of those. There was no way. But yes, apparently Fred Meyers does not have a limit on quantity that you can get, which makes no sense when everybody else does. Now, that can be a good thing if you're one of the people who can get there in time, but not a good thing if you were 30 seconds later, like I was, and got nothing. But don't hate the player, hate the game. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. Add that to the little collection. Add that. All right, last Mega Evolutions pack that we're opening. All right, we're gonna get the Mega Gardevoir. I can feel it. I can feel it in bones. And nope, we did not. So we only got one illustration rare out of that stack. It's all good though. It's all good. Buddy Poffin. On to Destined Rivals. Got a couple packs of Destined Rivals. Yeah. Gotta change this. So we know what we're going for. So Destined Rivals is a very interesting set because everybody talks up so much about it. Total value is only $1,800. Now I do think that the reason why everybody talks it up is because it was short printed. That's what I got. There was a low supply out there, not as much as Surgeon Sparks, Prismatics. So like the cases are more expensive, but the cards themselves aren't really like that crazy high, which whatever. But don't matter because we're about to get all the good cards right here out of these two packs that we're opening. Come on, baby. And nope. Right. Last Destined Rivals pack. All right, here we go. T-Marcus Mouth. Meowth. Quill. Come on, baby. Come on. The same The same card. The same one. Sheesh. All right. On to Phantasmal Flames. Now this set is at 1400. Mainly carried by the Mega Charizard. Shout out to you know who just got graded a PSA 10 from a Facebook Raw Marketplace pickup. You know who you are. Energy. Come on, baby. Let me join the Charizard PSA 10 club. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I'll put this in the sleeve still, though. I'll put it in the sleeve. Why not? Why not? All right. On to the next. All right, here we go. The Zard. The Zard, baby. Wondrous Patch, Viper, Toxel, and Moltres. I mean, I love Moltres. Moltres is one of my favorite OG Pokemon. OG Pokemon. I remember thinking it was one of the coolest. That and Zapdos, and Articuno. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Dudong, Sulong, Blowtorch. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Palmot. All right. Last Phantasmal Flame Pack Magic. Come on, baby. Pommy, Piplup, Charmander, Nimble. Come on. Come on. Ambipom. No Charizard. It's okay. It's okay, though. We've got Surging Sparks. We're going to be hitting that Charizard or that Pikachu right there. So the total set value, 1,000, 1,100. Absolute sleeper set. Absolute sleeper set. This is going to be going out of rotation. It's been printed all hell. Pick up Surging Sparks and hold till the end of the year. That's going to be my big sleeper bet. Feel. Pikachu, Pikachu. All right, 0 for 1. Luckily, we got 5 more. Because within these 5, it's going to be the 1. It's going to be the 1. Oh, oh, ooh. Okay. Okay. I like that. I like that one. Sleeve it up. Sleeve it up. Take it. We'll take it. Now, I know the hit rates are notoriously bad for Surging Sparks. Good thing and bad thing. Good thing because the hit cards aren't overabundant in the market. Bad thing is people lose interest. But good thing, if they do stay interested, more packs get opened. Less supply on the secondary market. Oh, okay, okay. Take that. I'll take that. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this guy's name. But it looks cool. Looks cool. 3 more. See what we can get here, huh? See what we can get. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm a second half player. I'm a second half player. They don't call me Mr. Clutch Blake for nothing. For nothing. Come on, baby. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. I like that. I like the look of that. That's pretty cool. But it's not the one we're after. A little bit of last pack magic incoming. Give it a tap. Give it a sideways tap. A little shake. Little rub. A little rub a dub. Here we go. Pikachu, Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Nothing. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. So these are the bangers for tonight. I like that. This is my favorite one out of the night. Oh, I don't know. I like that one too. But, well, that concludes another episode. See y'all next time.